Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you a very special video today. I am finally kicking off Christmas around here, and I wanted to start off the season by sharing with you a little holiday craft thrift haul. One of my favorite things about this time of year that I look forward to so much is supporting local artisans. We have so many incredibly talented artisans where I live, and the past couple weekends my mother and I have been going and checking out everything that they have this year. And I have a couple little goodies I want to share with you, some things that are inspiring me with my own Christmas decor this year, and share with you some inspiration that you can bring a beautiful vision to life on a very small budget. So without further ado, let's get started. The first item that I want to share with you is actually one of my favorites. The gentleman that made this little vase was a very elderly gentleman. His name was Larry, and oh my goodness, he had so many beautiful pieces. But the reason this one caught my eye is, you can probably tell why, because of how unique this wood is. This is actually called an Australian Basquiat nut, and I had no idea what that even was. I had never even heard of it, and I'll insert a picture here on the screen so you can get an idea of what this man actually had to work with when he first started out. I was so happy to support him. I love looking for little vessels and little vases like this to put around my home, and I just knew that this was something that I would regret not buying. It actually has, if you can tell, it has like some, I forget what he called it, some like moss. If you've ever heard of this, please let me know down below. But I thought it was just so precious, so unique, and I think I spent 20 bucks. And again, I felt like it was worth every penny. And he even initialed it on the bottom, L. Smith, and the type of wood that it is, which I really appreciate. He did that with all of his pieces, whether it was maple or pine or something else. He wrote on the bottom what kind of wood it was so you would never forget. I just love that little kind of detail. The next item that I picked up was these 100% recycled wool mittens. This lady, oh my gosh, as soon as I saw her table, I beelined for it, because I don't know about you. You let me know down in the comments, but I am a mittens gal. My hands get so cold in the winter whenever they are in like finger gloves. So I really gravitate towards mittens if I'm gonna wear gloves. And what I loved the most about these was not only the design. I love the olive green with the navy and the red. I love the little button detail, but the most important thing that I loved the most is that this is all made from thrifted wool sweaters. This lady searched high and low for 100% wool sweaters, and I just really love that. One of my biggest passions with my home and with my lifestyle and where I'm trying to work towards, and I talk about this so much on this channel, is I really try my best to use what I have, to not buy new unless I am investing in something for the long term. You'll see that this season with some of my Christmas decor, I am donating something. I'm switching some things up and repurposing some things, but my intention always is to be resourceful. And if I can support someone, a small business, a creator that makes such beautiful things with repurposed items, I am going to do that. Speaking of repurposed, this next decor piece I absolutely love. It is this little Christmas tree that is made out of little slabs of wood. Oh, hello. Hi. Oh, you are a mess.
I'm pictured.
Yeah. Are you gonna film with mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You look like a little rugged boy, don't you? Okay. So you gotta be quiet, right? Okay. So like I was saying, when I saw this tree, I knew it was something that I had to have. I love rustic decor. I love wood pieces. It's just so amazing to me how creative people can be. I love the gold beads at the top. Actually, if you can tell, they're kind of brown, like really beautiful. I was so happy to support her, and I knew that this would go perfectly in my home. Now, I probably saved the best for last, because when I saw this, I got so giddy with my mom. I think she didn't fully understand or appreciate why I wanted this so badly, but to each his own. Just goes to show, like, we all get excited about different things. And when I saw this, I got so excited that not only was it being sold at this craft fair, but it was something that I didn't even know I was looking for. When I saw it, I knew that it was meant for me. And it's this, I don't even know what you call this, a tray, this Currier and Ives American Homestead Winter tray. Knew when I saw this was coming home with me, because this scene right here, I don't know if you've ever seen White Christmas, but White Christmas is by far one of my all-time favorite movies, and Christmas movies especially. But this scene just reminds me of that movie. It reminds me of that old-fashioned Christmas. And when I saw that it was Currier and Ives, I just felt like, how traditional, like, what is more iconic American Christmas than Currier and Ives? And I actually found the perfect plates for it up above my stove. I cannot wait to show you, and I love it. And it's really what is inspiring me this year, is not only to keep things simple.
Quiet.
You'll be quiet?
No.
Okay, can you be quiet? Okay. It's not only to keep things simple and minimal, but to remember what I love about Christmas is the red and the greens. You'll behave?
No.
Okay, can you just behave a little bit longer? I love traditional Christmas colors. I love the evergreens and the feel of Christmas. So that's what I'm trying to recreate this year, is just the traditional Christmas that I remember. So lots of reds, lots of greens, lots of evergreens, keeping things, again, simple, but having that traditional flair. And I love having this picture as just sort of that anchor of what it is that I am trying to create. I'm now going to share with you a full home tour of my home, completely decorated for Christmas, with my Christmas home tour from 2023. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below what was your favorite item that I shared today. And until next time, my loves. Bye. you.